December 22nd, 2016. After hours of pounding on multiple occasions, I've got this side of the Honda CRX 1989 somewhat close to where it's supposed to be. Now I could go a lot further. Here's the side that's correct. You can see there's holes that line up perfectly for the bracket. I'm going to have to paint these brackets, and along with all of this metal here, which is exposed, this stuff will definitely rust if I don't. And since these unibody cars depend on their body as a part of the structure for the collision absorption, you kind of got to be careful here. I notice there is a crack right there, which I will need to weld that. I'm trying to get these holes as close to straight as I can. Now the metal's not going to be super pretty when it's done, but the important thing is that this bracket sit correctly true, and I may end up using a spacer piece underneath in order to make sure that happens. You want to make sure this car is repaired correctly. Also, inside of here, we'll need another weld down this piece here, just to make sure that it's good and strong, as the original car has been compromised in its strength. Make sure I get this bumper on here straight and true, and that the car can function as safely as it was designed to. So I am going to get back to more. I'll check back in later.